Australia says Chinese military helicopter in unsafe maneuvers at sea. On March 4, 2026, an Australian Navy helicopter enforcing UN sanctions against North Korea in the Yellow Sea was intercepted by a Chinese military helicopter in what Australia described as unsafe and unprofessional maneuvers, forcing evasive action. No injuries occurred, but Australia raised formal concerns with China. Beijing countered, accusing Australia of provocative reconnaissance and defending their response as legitimate under international law. This incident highlights ongoing tensions in Australia-China military interactions in the region.